Hi, baby bear.
Hi! Oh.
Are you looking for me?
Oh, yeah, you better believe I am. Yeah, I need your help. Desperately.
Really? Oh, with what? Well, you've come to the right place. The Big Bird method of learning the alphabet is the best there is. Why, I'll have you going from A to Z in less than a month. Today, gee, that's pretty fast.
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah, what's with Baby Bear?
Yeah, why are you in such a big hurry?
Because of that nosy, posy Goldilocks.
Goldilocks?
Gee, I can sure see that.
This what I mean? I can't take another day of this. Big Bird, please.
The whole entire alphabet? Today?
You have to do it.
Well... Okay, I'll give it a try. But wait! You know, I can't make any promises. So, before we get started, I'll have to test you for alphabet readiness.
Oh.
Well, I just want to make sure you're ready to learn the alphabet.
Oh, I am ready, all right. I am ready.
Just to make sure, I want you to repeat after me. Ooh, ah, ooga wooga, ziggy iggy zap.
Ziggy Iggy Zap.
Nice going, baby bear. Come on, I'm gonna show you how we do the alphabet. So just follow me. If you can ooh, ah, ooga, sha-na-na, then you can A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, A, E, F, G. You can say the alphabet back to me. Come on, everybody, let's do it. Ah, oh, do what do, be do. Show 'em in O-P, H-I-J. You can say the alphabet back to me. Ooh, ooh, back to me. Papa ooby-doo. Papa ooby-doo. And tweet, 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 tweet. T-U-V, T-T-U-V, T-U-V. W, W, X, X, Y, and Z, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H-I-J, H-M-N-O-P, Q-R-S-T-U-V, W-X-Y-Z, Yay! Oh, I don't think that's a good idea, baby bear, because of course not. There's a lot more to the Big Bird method than just singing a song. Rectangle crew. Part of the method. Now, look at the rectangle. Try to think of the letter that follows the letter C. Well, you will in a minute. So, just keep looking.
A, B, C.
Oh, and it's going to feel even better, baby bear, because we're all going to do the alphabet exercises now. Well, see, you don't just use your mind to say the alphabet. You have to put your whole body into it. It's all part of the method. Okay, now Gabby is going to take us through the exercises. Oh, no, baby bear, you're not ready. See, look, now just calm down, baby bear, and look at the rectangle. Now, here. There we
Of
go.
course.
Oh, I don't know about that. No, you can't expect to learn the alphabet all at once. Well, you got all the way up to the letter I. Now, everyone's going to show you some things that start with the next letter. Oh, but these are things that you do. Show them, kids. Baby bear. Oh, smart bear. Okay. Now, come on, baby bear. It's something that starts with the same sound as jumping and jogging.
Jiggling.
Very good. Jumping, jogging, and jiggling all start with the letter... Oh, it's okay, baby bear. Just look at the rectangle and say the sound. Let's help him, okay? Here's the sound. J. J.
J. J.
Right. J.
Hey! And after that?
You put these on.
Whatever for?
You'll see. It's an idea so crazy, it just might work. Now, I want you to pretend that you're Billy Joel. If you were Billy Joel, you wouldn't just be able to say the alphabet, you'd be able to sing it. In fact, I bet we'll all want to sing it. Well, not every crazy idea works, I guess. But you didn't do so badly. You just said the alphabet. Yes, you just said half the alphabet. I don't suppose you know what that letter is. Poppy seeds. Well, what made you think of it? The method is always at work. That's right, baby bear. Now just relax and look at the rectangle. Piggies.
Okay, if 3 little piggies can say the alphabet, then so can our wee little bear.
Maybe this is it. Come on, little guy. Hey, now listen to me. Listen, baby bear. You're not alone. There's a lot of kids who have trouble getting through the alphabet. Why, there's even a support group for kids like you. I know you can, 'cause I'm the group leader.
Big Bird? Before we leave, there was something I've got to know.
What?
What comes after E?
Welcome to the Sesame Street Alphabet Support Group. Now, nobody here knows how to say the whole alphabet, right?
Right.
And we're shy to speak. But you are among friends, you know.
Right, baby bear.
So please don't think you have to say anything. But if you do, we'd be glad to listen.
Well, but why is I do it out of my mind?
Wow, baby bear. You may not know the alphabet, but boy, are you good at sharing. Oh, of course. Why, relaxation is part of the method. Now, take a deep breath. Relax. Now, let your head hang down. Let your arms dangle from your shoulders. Relax, relax. That's right. Relax, relax, baby bear. Relax. Wow. He's falling asleep. Now, that's what I call relaxation. I wonder what he's dreaming about. Gee, baby bear, I think you were dreaming about something.
Oh, well, what did you say?
Gosh, did you hear that? Baby bear, you just said the alphabet. Yeah, only you said it backwards. You started with Z, and you went all the way back to A.
If I can...
Where are you going?
To find that Goldilocks. Oh, by the way, this support group thingy, this really works. Yeah, you let me express my wee little feelings. Yeah, and you help me to relax. Yeah, thank you, everyone. Mwah! Goldilocks.
Oh, gee, but he's never actually said the alphabet from A to Z. Hey, come on, kids. Hey, baby bear, come on.
Go, baby bear, go.
Yeah, take it all the way.
Do it. Come on, baby bear.
Yeah, this is it.
I hope.